Hey guys, it's Bill, Flatbroke Garage, and I'm on the road. This time we're going north of the Mason-Dixon line, back up to my homeland. We're headed to Chicago area to go to the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals in Rosemont, Illinois. It basically is the biggest collection, I think, of muscle cars and Corvettes. Put the show on every year. It's really neat. You guys got to check it out if you're ever in the area. But we're headed up there. I'm going to work there on Thursday and Friday, helping them do setup. They'll be hanging out there all day Saturday. So that'll be cool. If you're around, maybe get to see you, you know. Also got to pick up an air compressor that I've had up here for a while that I need to get back to my shop and get it going, because I've got no real air, you know, for doing work on my Torino. So once you get that back, it's gonna be pretty helpful. Unfortunately, I was planning on bringing the old white Buffalo, my Chevy truck, but that thing sucked up a load of tadpoles and rocks and mud. I don't know, somewhere I grabbed a tank of really bad fuel. So I had to leave that at home. The old Yeller shop truck, that thing's only got car tires on it. Woo, that guy's moving. And it doesn't do good in the snow and the mud. And I'm headed to the land of snow, and I guess they just got snow last night. So we took the Jeep. It's 30 years old, but it'll make it. Four-wheel drive, we got some new tires on it. We gotta have to rent a trailer though, and get that air compressor in it, because it's big, it's heavy. You're gonna have to recruit a couple of my friends from up north. Help me get that on there. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I know you're out there watching. All you gotta do is hit the subscribe thing. There's no money involved, or, you know, they don't count how many cans of corn you buy. It just helps me out if you subscribe. So hit the subscribe button. You can follow along and, you know, at least get notified when stuff like this comes up. So let's hit the road. Let's go to Chitown. Well, guys, if you don't live in the Midwest, then you'll never understand what it is I'm going to. This place is awesome. They got the best gas station pizza in the world. Made it! Alright guys, it's the next day. It's quit snowing. And we're going to hop in the old Jeep here and head to the Donnelly Stevenson Convention Center. Leaving the nice cute little area of Lincoln Square, Chicago suburb here. Pretty cool. So let's head on out and go to work. We made it. We're indoors. Here we are, guys. Muscle Car Corvette Nationals. Doing an unload of some cars. Got me a little... So let me walk you around here quick to show you what they got. You got Reliable Trucking, boy, they're hauling everything. quite a show. Just some of the cars that are here. Let's take a walk. There's just cool stuff everywhere. Right now the cars are just kind of scattered because they're staging everything. They still need room to bring in the semis and the other cars, get everything unloaded, so they're just kind of stacking the cars off to the side. And then once everything's in, they just kind of bring them over and get them on their number. Every car is assigned a number and corresponds with their tag. So today, Thursday, like I said, is a primary moving day for all the big moving trucks and, you know, a bunch of stuff. So, yeah, look, Torino. Oh, it's a Cobra. I gotta check this thing. Wow. Drag tag. Hey guys, this is the only way to see Muscle Car Corvette Nationals. I got me some horsepower.
documentation to show it's
Now for the fun part. I'm going to go pick me up an air compressor. I think this thing weighs like 600 pounds. My buddy said, no problem. He can load it himself. So, yeah, let's go see how this works out. I don't think it's going to go good. All right, guys. Well, this is the last part of my trip. Kind of the part I was planning for. I got me a big old air compressor back in here. Me and a buddy are going to drag it out, put it in this trailer, along with some other cool stuff. Let me take you back in here and show you what we got. I got a bunch of toolboxes and stuff out of here. Her husband had passed away as a body man. And look at this baby. Woo-hoo. So I got this air compressor. It's made in Addison, Illinois. It's a pretty good one, I guess. I got this big heavy roller cart. It's a Blackhawk frame cart. A lot of, I don't know, tools, fittings and stuff in there. Got me some lockers, another cabinet. There's a mouse poo in there. And whatever else. Oh, she said I got to have the drill press. Just stuff. So we're going to get this loaded up. And I'm going to go out for some pizza and some cocktails tonight. And we're headed back to Turtletown. Let's just hope this all goes well loading. All right, so my buddy's proving me a point. I told him this air compressor is heavy. He told me this ain't nothing. You got that cord in your way, buddy. He says he's going to drag this thing on the trailer by himself, no help. Whoa, 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 you're caught. See, I'm already helping you. And you got only 9 fingers. Well, you got 8 fingers and one and a half thumbs. So he's proving me wrong. Here he goes. She said it couldn't be done. I'll help you, you know. You sure you got this? It looks pretty heavy, dude. Okay, you want help or you got this? You need help? We're pausing. Well, I say the Jeep is packed full. 53 Chevy truck fenders, running boards, deck lid, chainsaw, stuff. Lots of stuff. And sit back here. So, back to Turtletown tomorrow. Alright, this is bad. This is very bad. I don't know if you can see it, but this thing just started blowing engine oil out the side. I think the O-ring went for that oil filter deal. But man, I'm hemorrhaging engine oil. I ain't got time to fix this thing, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna figure something out, but yay. What the hell? Well, it's one of them days. Sky's blue, not a cloud in it. Mid-50s. Good weather. I got me a U-Haul key tag here. My Jeep let me down. So I gotta get a U-Haul, hook onto my U-Haul trailer, and I gotta get back home for Thanksgiving to see my family. Otherwise, I'd be here fixing my Jeep. I got no tools. It's gonna be cold. Holiday weekend. Planes, trains, and automobiles. I'm getting home. Ugh. I don't know. You just gotta laugh, man. It's the way life is. Well, it's a new day. With every new day comes a new hope. I got 5 hours to get home. Today's my son's birthday. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. You know, I had a blast. I really did. I got to see a lot of great friends. I got an air compressor. Got to work at a car show and really get to see some cool cars. I got paid for that, guys. The Jeep's broke down. I got this. I don't know. I mean, what are you gonna do? I'll tell you one thing. You know, is it inconvenient that my truck broke down and I had to rent this thing? Yeah. You know what, guys? I haven't had a car payment in 15 years. So if I spend $1,000 in a truck and trailer once every now and then, it's better than spending $1,000 a month. You know, I try and keep my stuff going. So I don't know, but if you guys like this, you know, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. You know, like I said, live through somebody else's weird experiences. Why should you come out and do this? But yeah, hit the subscribe, like, and follow along, guys. It can only get better. See ya. Thanks for watching. Bye.